spacious.ca. Thanks for joining us again. I know there's so much turmoil everywhere in the world right now. We truly appreciate you continuing to follow us, and for any of you who are interested, we love showing you properties like this that are possible. So come join me as we explore another Casa Linda villa. This one is a lovely, lovely 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom villa. You can see the space is awesome. It's just regal. Lots of space, lots of cabinetry. This is currently a rental villa here in Casa Linda, but it shows very, very well. It's got very classic furniture, nice open spaces, a living room for visiting with friends, yet still gives you that outside area that's awesome that we'll see in a few minutes, where you can socialize, watch the football games. This way takes us into the master bedroom. It is a very, very spacious bedroom. It's lovely, actually. From the bed, you actually have some beautiful views of the pool as well. Ensuite, walk-in closet, all very spacious. Means you truly have a master that gives you a very spacious feel. Behind me is bedroom number 2 across the living space. It too is a good size. Has its own ensuite as well. And instead of a walk-in closet, has some cabinetry in the wall. Gives you ample room for clothes and storage. What I like about this villa is it's got some very modern finishes to it. It's very sleek. It's very tailored. It's muted, so you can bring your own splashes of color into it if you'd like. Currently it's a rental and it's quite successful. From here, you really need to see the outdoor areas too. It's stunning as well. It's a beautiful addition to this villa. You have a bathroom off bedroom 3, accessible through this door. Bedroom number 3 is right here. We'll do the bedrooms first and save the entertaining area for last here. Again, a very spacious bedroom, mutely but wonderfully decorated, with a lovely ensuite. From here, we'll go across the pool deck actually to the 4th bedroom, which is on the other side. So you actually you have some good separation and some privacy. 4th bedroom enters through here, and you have the good-sized bedroom again, very well furnished, and its own ensuite over on this side of the villa as well. Through some very spacious slider doors here, you actually live indoors and outdoors at the same time. You come through to a dining room that's very spacious. Table seats up to 10 people, which is awesome. You can have some neighbors over for dinner or lots of friends who are visiting. Into an outdoor sitting area that has a very large screen TV. You can watch football games, you can watch Netflix movies. You can make the best of both worlds. It then flows through into the outdoor bar area with your barbecue as well for an outdoor kitchen effect. Features of this villa also include this wonderful jacuzzi that overflows into the pool. And when it's actually running, you have the waterfall effect, which is very peaceful. You're looking out into the green yard and all the plants and the gardens and the greenery. Pool is multifunctional. You can be swimming, you can be floating, you could be splashing and playing ball. You can be using lounge chairs in the shallow end, or you can just relax and chill with a cocktail. Get some sun, get some shade, enjoy it. That's what it's meant for. In closing, thanks for joining us. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 1.5 bath, Sunseeker model villa. It is 265 square meters of construction on a lot of 906 square meters, built in 2022. Currently is an excellent rental, but it's an excellent home for someone too. You know the drill. WhatsApp us, email us. If you would like more information, please let us know. We'd love to share it with you.